Now, thanks to Len Burrell and to Ray Dory, we have some very rare footage of the 1995 Nats of me putting in an official flight with Strega. But that's not the real exciting thing here. The exciting thing to me was after this year and plans were published and many people built Stregas from plans. Many people bought the kit that Brodak made, and even more people bought the Arf that Brodak made. So Strega went on to have a prosperous life, would be the best way to say it. An awful lot of people got to enjoy flying it, and among other things, we had this. The original one went on to have a life after I had crashed it. It went on to have a life years after that, and so it really is a watershed plane of all of the planes that I developed with Big Jim Greenaway technology, Pattern Master technology. Kent Tyser went on to do many of them, Rich Jacobone. Many people built more than one, and it's just a plane that has a unique little niche in the history of control line stunt. And as far as I know, the original Reno Air Racer with Tiger DeStefani, that this was modeled after the paintwork anyway. I think it's still flying at Reno. I don't know, but hey, if you know, drop a hint in the comments. Anyway, this is really unusual that I would have this footage, and I only have it because of the people that have donated this back so I could re-edit them. And thank you one and all for supporting the channel.
Hey, URTNOWSKI'S second flight of the first round of qualifying. Says he's going to pull a Strega out of his hat and see what we can get.
looking back, Strega was quite an adventure, would be the best way to put it. And the fact that it went on to have more than one life after a repair, even better. Well, I hope you did enjoy the video, and of course, thank you for supporting the channel, and most of all, thank you so much for watching.